Seasons. The Mountain View Resort is the perfect place all year round, whatever the weather. In spring, the weather is usually warm and sunny. Sometimes it rains. In spring, lots of people go hiking in the mountains or sailing on the lake. In summer, the weather is mostly hot and humid. Sometimes it is too hot. In summer, lots of people like to go to the beach and swim in the sea. In autumn, the weather is often cool and windy. Sometimes there are storms. In autumn, lots of people go to the park and have barbecues with their friends. In winter, the weather is usually cold and dry. Sometimes it snows, and it's really cold. In winter, lots of people go skiing on the hills outside the city.